Hello everyone, myself J. Vijay Malya, studying 3rd year BA Agriculture in SNS College of Technology. I am here to present the business model canvas of the company CropX. I chose this company from crunchbase.com. Also, there are other recommended websites such as ycombinator.com and nocamel.com. Why I chose this company? There are 5 innovative technologies such as augmented reality or virtual reality, data analytics, 3D printing, Internet of Things, and AR, ML, robotics and automation. Also, there are 7 industry verticals such as agriculture and food technology, healthcare, automobiles, fintech, smart city, energy, and aerospace or defense. In this vertical, it comes under agriculture and food technology, and it also comes under the innovative technology of data analytics. Before going to see the BMC of the company, let us see a small introduction. The company's name is CropX Inc. Its headquarters is located in Tel Aviv, Israel. It was founded on 2013. Its founder is Isaac Benwich and its current CEO is Tsar Tomer. Now we see the important segment, that is BMC of CropX. Its key partners are farmers, IoT and aerial imagery. Its key activity is developing cloud-based software integrated with wireless sensor which provides more crop yield. Its key resources are cloud-based AG analytics software and soil sensor technology. Value propositions are dramatically increase of crop yield and reducing the water, fertilization and energy costs. Its channels are website, distributor and stores. Customer relationship includes social responsibility. Its customer segments are buyers and sellers. The cost structure is robotic maintenance and distribution center. The channels are website, distributors and stores. And finally, the revenue streams are CropX Inc. Let us see the product of the company. The CropX app can figure out exactly how much to irrigate the field by providing an irrigation prescription that is constantly adapting to the changing nature of the field. By factoring in thousands of data points from the previous cases, we can predict the water uptake patterns, detect faulty irrigation system and burst pipes, and improve the decision making process. By analyzing crop growth against crop models, the app can predict the crop's needs and expected growth and can detect the deviation and identity, early stage field, variability and non-uniformity of crop growth. It provides crop-specific recommendation and send alert to the farmers about field segments that need attention due to potential risk from pests or disease. Thank you.